Okay, so once you've gotten the case off, you just want to open the tray and insert the cleaning object. Once you get it inside the actual disc tray, then you do get the full cleaning power. It helps if you don't actually wash your Xbox before you do this, because it does make it harder. As you can see, I've gone and just taken the other side of the tray off so that it is a bit easier to clean. You can do this if you want, but it's not recommended. So if your CPU fan is not at its full potential, just hold this over it for a little while, make sure it doesn't get too hot, and then just stick it straight back on. If you do get the actual cleaning flame, it does have an advantage, as it means that the actual fan is on fire. If you do want to permanently erase discs, this method is very, very handy. To clean the disc tray, all you have to do is hold it around the sides for a little while, and it will start to have its cleaning effect. Once you have cleaned halfway through the tray, there may be bits that drop off and do whatever, but that doesn't matter. You just start on the other side, make sure you keep cleaning it until it's ready. Bang. Cleanest disc tray you will ever see. If you want to clean the inside of your Xbox, the best way is to just stick a blowtorch or other cleaning device in, just straight in. The smoke means that it is cleaning extremely well. Just move out of that smoke there. Move a bit again. This stuff can be hazardous to your health if inhaled, so please do not inhale this smoke. The smoke seems to fucking love me at the moment. As you can see, the smoke is very, very thick. Once the cleaning has been fully completed, you must then make sure that the top is clean before using the Xbox again. As you can see, I've got an extremely good self-cleaning flame at the moment. It will be clean in a jiffy. Multiple cleaning flames is the best technology at the moment, but unfortunately I cannot get that far at the moment. stick my cleaning tool back in there, as it was cleaning it a lot faster. Once the smoke does start to change colour, as you can see now, it means that the plastic is actually starting to clean itself. As you can see, the smoke will rise up into the air, like so, which is good because then you don't inhale it. The smoke is actually so thick that my blowtorch doesn't want to work anymore, so I will indeed give it a break if it wants to turn off. Perfect. As you can see, this cleaning flame is about to go out, and it shall leave a good looking patch of tar. This is your finished product. If you grab your pliers, you can flip the Xbox over to its good side, which is not yet clean, but I don't think I will have enough time to clean that tonight. If you can, just grab some of the plastic that has been cleaned off to the side so that it makes way for the other stuff to be cleaned. If it does happen to be a bit mushy, then it's probably about as clean as you're going to get it. Don't worry about that smoke, it's all good. I think this is about as clean as I'm going to get this Xbox. So once you've finished with your cleaning, what you're going to want to do is just grab the Xbox. As you can see what I've done right here. Walk down the boat ramp. And then just chuck it in the water. There it goes, off to its brand new habitat.